This is the Hayear 7-inch 2070 microscope. First problem, there is the remote. You can see the battery is installed properly. Now let's bring up the menu. And nothing happens. Let's take a picture. Nothing happens. Let's restart this just for good measure and see what happens. Let's see if we can get the menu to come up. No, we can't. No, we can't. Nothing's working. Now, if I try to take a picture this way, nothing happens. Here's the next problem. I cannot focus clearly across this screen. The depth of field is so small that it's almost impossible to get a good picture across the screen. Now, let's switch over here to the older model, the 1070. The remote, it's kind of funky, but it will work. It will take a picture eventually. There, it just took a picture. And you can see very clearly, this is a clear picture. This is a very clear picture. I can also take a picture with this button. There's an old picture on there. There it is again, okay. And these are identical specimens that I have on here, so I'm not trying to game this with a different mineral. But here, just for good measure, here's another problem. That is supposed to be green, and it's blue-green. I have not touched the white balance on this. And as you can see, that is very green. Now I come over here, and this microscope gives us a much better rendition of that color. Much better rendition. So those are the problems. The remote does not work. It will not take pictures. The depth of field isn't good enough, and this is with the 2x lens on both of these cameras. That's the 2x lens. And the lens is the problem. I've switched the lenses between these two cameras, and I get beautiful pictures with the 7-inch screen with the old lens.